Welcome to our channel where we explore the latest developments and initiative on many things in Indonesia, all surround us. Today we have an exciting topic to discuss, guys. That is the renovation of bus terminals in Indonesia. In this video, we will dive into the details of this kind of project by the government, its objective, its impacts, the importance of coordination between the government, bus companies, and also the terminal management. So, yes, let's get started. Yeah. First thing first, we need to understand the current state of the bus terminals in Indonesia. Indonesia is a fast transportation and has a fast transportation network. Currently, Indonesia has a total of 1,794 bus terminals. However, it is worth noting that only 125 of them are classified as a Type A terminals, which are serving as a crucial hubs for intercity and also regional bus travels. And then we need to understand also the Ministry of Transportation Renovation Plan to address the need for modernization and also the improving the service of the bus in Indonesia. The Ministry of Transportation has set forth an kind of ambitious plan. They aim to renovate 38 of the Type A bus terminal. That's around 30% of all the terminal in Indonesia. And also because of that, they aim to including the notable terminals. So maybe some of you have known about the Pinang Baris, Bandaraya, Payung Sekaki, Tirtomadi, Manggang, Surabaya, and Purworejo, and many other things. Okay, and then we need to understand the objective and also the impact of this renovation. The main objective of this renovation, of course, is to enhance the facilities, service, and also integration to the other modes of transportation. By doing so, the government hopes to attract more passengers and also increase the overall satisfaction of the bus user. However, we must acknowledge that such an extensive project also comes with its fair share of challenge. Okay, the challenge itself is, and also the adjustment for the bus company, is as with any major construction project, there will be, of course, a disruption and also inconvenience to the bus operation. The bus company may need to adjust their routes, their schedules, their parking management, and even the ticketing system to accommodate the renovation itself. This coordination between the government and bus company is crucial to minimizing the disruption on the operation. And the next thing is we need to also consider the funding and the stakeholder coordination to smooth the execution of this project. The government itself it need to allocate the funding for the renovation of this project. Additionally, they should conduct survey to identify the passenger the bus company needs, allowing a comprehensive renovation plan that considers the all interests of all stakeholders that regarding the bus in Indonesia. And the next thing also is we can find and analyze the importance of break-even and investment opportunities in this project of renovation. Renovating the bus terminal is significant and long-term investment in transportation infrastructure. To ensure the financial stability, the break-even point needs to be calculated, and we need also taking into the account of total cost, the price per unit, the variable cost per unit, and also moreover, this project opens up exciting investment opportunities in construction infrastructure, technologies, and also the management sectors. And we need to understand also there should be a positive impact on the tourism and also the economy in Indonesia. Beyond the improved service of the bus for the bus user, this renovation have a more significant impact in Indonesia as a whole. With a more modernized terminal, the country can attract more tourists and also the business. It will boosting the economy and establishing itself as a thriving travel destination for the future. And also, the successful execution of this renovation project also hinged on the timely, efficient, and also transparent procedures. Open up communication with the public is essential, as the citizen always have the right to be aware of the progress and benefit of this endeavor beings. Last but not least, we can understand that transforming Indonesia's bus terminal through renovation is a critical steps towards more safe and also the efficient travel. And by focusing on improved facilities, service, and integration, the government aims to provide a better experience for passengers and attract more visitors to the country. And finally, to achieve this coordination between government, the bus companies, and the terminal passengers is key. Then together, let's embracing this exciting transformation and look forward to a more connected and also the prosperous Indonesia. Maybe that's all from me. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, to subscribe, and to hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest content. And as always, feel free to leave your thoughts and comment below. Until next time, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.